Hello guys, how you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. So today is February 8th, 2020, and I'm going to a MAC event that they're having somewhere around my neighborhood. So I signed up for this program. I didn't even know when I first got here. I was so excited to see a MAC store around where I live. So I completely forgot about it. But of course, because I signed up for it and I left them my phone number, so they called me like few days to this event. So today I just got ready. This is how I am looking on my face, like going to a mark event. This is how I'm looking right now, guys. I didn't get time to do my hair. I didn't get time to go shave it. Okay, so I decided to vlog. I hope I'll be able to cover the event. That is my plan. Okay, finger crossed, so I can actually let you guys know what happened there. That's the purpose of this vlog. Okay, and let me take you guys along as I go. I invited two of my colleagues that I just met at work. They kind of know they're cool like that. So I'm like, okay, I think we can roll. So I told them about it and they were like, yeah, girl, they would like to come as well. So we're heading it. I'm heading out right now. I hope I'll be able to cover the event so I can actually show you guys. Okay, this is a vlog and that is what I intend for it to be. All right guys, I'll see you in the next clip. Okay, ciao.
It's loud and clear. It's more nude, but a little bit bold. Yeah, we have the lipstick, we have the shallow lip gloss and highlighter.
Okay, these are for what season?
It's just for maybe spring. Yeah, we're gonna have.
So guys, I'm right here at the, it's not really a big kind of a thing. It's just coming to see what they have going on, like, they have new product for the, kind of spring. It's not too loud, it's soft. We are not really too into makeup. And I'm right here already. You can see people behind me, attending to people that comes in. When you come into the events, you just kind of look around, look at the products. If you need a demo, they will do it for you, just like what they are doing for my friend right there. So she's trying out the products, like, she's trying the mascara. She's not really that makeup person. Really natural. So hi everyone. This is one of the ladies that work in the MAC store, and she's so kind enough to come into my video. I'm grateful. Thank you.
You're so welcome.
I just have a question regarding the Loud and Clear collection. I wanted to know if most of it, because I'm, dark shade. Yeah, I'm not trying to be racist, but I just want to know which one would actually work for my skin tone.
Right,
And she
right.
said she can actually show me. Yeah, let's try it.
You wanna try the highlighter?
Yeah, I know I already have makeup on right now.
Yes. But I just want to show you how pretty this is. Do they want to see?
So you guys know I already have highlighter, though I put a little, but she's about to try the new one, the new from the collection of Loud and Clear. So she's going to try the one that she actually going to recommend for my skin tone. So Yeah, so that is what we're about to do right now. Are you guys ready to see?
It's gonna pop. Okay, we're gonna pop with this one.
All right.
Do you see that already?
Yes.
Woo! We can blend it out.
Yeah, it's just to blend. Yeah, we just need to blend. Yeah, I love it. Oh my goodness, that's so much.
Pretty.
Oh yeah.
It makes it a little up.
Mhm.
Right here. Go ahead. I'll let you
Can I have it on the other side too to balance out,
do.
please?
Yes,
Yes.
let me get this side.
Yes, please. Look at that. I'm being pampered. Isn't it? Isn't that nice, guys? Oh my goodness.
And I'll let her blend this side too. It shows up so beautiful.
Yeah, I see it. I see it. I like it. That's so. How much is that retail for?
I think it retails 31.
31. Yes. Woo! I like it. Wow. Okay.
We can also use a sponge to blend it out if it's too much for you. Too.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Yeah.
I like it. I really
Try one on today.
Yeah.
You want to try this one, or do you want to? I think this one will look really good on you today.
Okay. So when you apply that, like which one do you have on your lips?
This one, yes.
Okay. Then you top it with a lip gloss.
Yes, I topped it with this lip
Look at
gloss
that.
right here.
She's so pretty, right?
Thank you.
Yes.
This one right here. The nice little glitter.
Shimmer. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Absolutely.
So you're gonna try which one?
This one is called Baroque the Internet. Like Baroque the Internet. Baroque.
Broke the
Baroque
internet. Guys, I'm about to break the
Break the internet.
Yeah, let's do that. So I'm gonna
Okay.
clean my lips then. You
Okay.
lip pencil or
We can.
Can we
Do
use
you want
lip
to?
pencil?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't worry about. I'm gonna kind of yes. I asked for lip pencil, so she's gonna go get that. Okay, and we're gonna do the lipstick, and she's gonna top it with a lip gloss. And these are the new collection by MAC, Loud and Clay. Okay, it's all for all skin shade. Okay, you should definitely see something that you like there. Look at this. This is eyeshadow. You can actually use that as transition color, right? So look at that. And they have some. I really like, look at that shimmer and that. That's so pretty. You can actually wear this on its own, like just bam, 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 and out of the house. Okay, so we're starting with
All right, you ready?
Yes.
My favorite combination: night moth with this lip.
I love night mode.
It's really
Yeah, I do.
pretty.
I have it. Yeah.
Big face to do makeup on. Oh my gosh. Thank you.
I could come in another day so that you can beat my face. We're going into the lipstick now, guys.
What is the name of that one? It's called Baroque the Internet. All right, now just rub together, and we're gonna blend everything together. Let me get a brush out.
Yeah, but most likely we will because it's gonna be Eva teaching the next one. And I guess
Ombre is so pretty. Yay!
Yay, guys, look at that. So perfect, right? I can see myself. Don't worry, I can see myself because my phone case is reflecting. So I can see myself. Yes. I love it. And it goes with my makeup too.
Was from that new collection.
Yeah, I love it. Yay, thank you
You're so
much.
welcome.
I appreciate it. Thank you. So, guys, because I love glossy lips, so I asked them to pop in a little bit of gloss in the center of my lip to be able to have that glossy lips. And I'm loving the effects, and I'm actually going to get the lip gloss because I have lipsticks and that particular pencil she used at home. But I have a shade of lipstick that's as close as what she used for me, so I am buying that today. but I'm gonna buy the gloss, the lip gloss. Okay. All right, guys, and I hope you all enjoy this view. Okay. Let me show you the view once more. I'm about to round up and go. So these are my friends, my colleagues at work. Look at them. They've been since they got here. They are just anyway, ladies, I really appreciate you coming. I kind of took them out of their house this morning. Like I said, I'm going to this event. They need to come with me.
We support our friends.
Yeah, and I like that, and I'm grateful
I
for
have
that.
some in common.
Yeah, you see.
I don't have Mac, but
Yeah, see, look at them. Look
Try
at
to
what
be
they
natural.
did. They kind of, they let me out of this style. They're wearing the same style of jeans, and I didn't get the memo. Anyway, it's all right. All right. So